Hey everybody, for dinner tonight I am making pulled pork in the crock pot. So we are going to mix all of our seasonings and make a rub for our pulled pork. The recipe calls for 4 pounds of pulled pork. Mine is right there at almost 4 pounds. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika. I like the smoked flavor.
And I'm going to pour it in.
Hold on.
Here. I'm going to pour it in this bowl.
Okay. Here's 1. So 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. That's a tablespoon.
I will do it.
1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder.
I mix it.
Hold on. And then we're going to add in about 1 teaspoon of seasonal. That's probably about a teaspoon. And then we're going to mix that all up. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar into the crock pot. I'm not going to measure that. I'm just going to eyeball a 1/4 cup. About there. That's good. Also calls for 3/4 cups of water with the vinegar in the bottom.
Blood in it.
Yeah, it's ramen. We're going to cut the twine off. I always like to rinse my meat first before I ever cook it, just because you don't know where it's been. Alright, I took the twine off and I rinsed my meat. And now we're going to rub it down with the rub. We're going to take our rub and we're going to just kind of sprinkle it in and rub it in. Called a rub. Now you have your rub on and all your liquids in the bottom of the crock pot. You're going to put the lid on and set it on low for 8 hours. Alright, it has been at least 8 hours. It is 5 o'clock right now. I think I started it at about 10. So now I have 2 forks and I'm just going to shred it. And I like to put it just on bread with some cheese and barbecue sauce. It really doesn't even need barbecue sauce. You can take the liquid out first before you shred it. The liquid keeps it moist. So these buns I had in the freezer. Bread freezes beautifully. I've left them in the refrigerator like most of the day, so they kind of defrost a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to add in some sliced cheese to the bread. And then I'm going to add in the pulled pork. So the kids don't really like barbecue sauce. Sometimes they think it's too spicy. I might put some ketchup on there if they really want it, but there we go.